Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making omelet muffins. Now this recipe is a really convenient way to enjoy an omelet. These are perfect for meal preps. They can be made in advance, so they're a really great grab and go option for those of us in a rush to get some breakfast. So let's get started.
All right, let's dive into this recipe. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. We're also going to coat a muffin pan with a non-stick spray or butter, or alternatively, you can place muffin liners in the pan, but you want to make sure that they're high quality or the eggs will stick to the liner. Don't do what I did in this and use paper liners, use aluminum ones. We're also going to prep our vegetables, and for this recipe, we're going to need half of a green bell pepper that's been finely diced. We're also going to need the same with a half of a red bell pepper, finely diced. We're going to follow that up with 2 green onion stalks, thinly slicing them along their lengths, as well as about a half a cup's worth of baby spinach that's been finely chopped. Now in a large size bowl, we want to add in 8 large eggs. And we're going to follow that up by adding in half a cup's worth of whole milk. Whisk those all together until they're well combined. Then we're also going to add in 1 cup's worth of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. And following that, we're going to add in our bell peppers, the chopped spinach, half a cup's worth of diced ham that's been pre-cooked, 1/4 to half a teaspoon of salt. That changes depending on your own taste. The ham's pretty salty by itself, so you might want to limit your salt. You also want to add a thin sprinkling of freshly ground black pepper, as well as our diced green onions. Stir all these ingredients together until they are all well distributed. And once your batter looks like this, you want to evenly distribute the batter into the prepared muffin tins. There should be enough batter for about 12 muffins. We're going to bake these for 20 to 23 minutes or until the eggs are cooked through. You want to remove them from the oven and use a sharp paring knife if necessary to loosen the omelet muffins from the pan. With that, you can serve these immediately and enjoy. Congrats, you've made omelet muffins right at home. For a variation on this, you can always try adding in your favorite ingredients of your typical omelet instead of what I listed here. The choice is really up to you, but this is a great breakfast option or even a meal prep option for the rest of your week. So when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish.
As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 4, Enhancing Your Inner Chef, and that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed learning how to make these omelet muffins, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you click the subscribe button too, so you don't miss out on another recipe. And feel free to share this with all your family and friends.
And stay tuned for next week where I show you another great breakfast option or even a dessert, my strawberry rhubarb muffins. The flavor combination is really tasty and I can't wait to show you how to make them. Well, thanks again for watching. I truly do appreciate it. You can always check out more videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you like these recipes, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.